Hi, I hope you learned a lot about bean seeds and what's inside those seeds. Pretty soon we'll be dissecting our lima bean seeds and we'll get to see those things firsthand. Before we do that, I want to prepare our papers for today, and we'll use these to preserve and save the parts of our seeds. So let me show you how we'll create this, and let's get this made before we do the dissecting so we can then put the parts of our seeds right onto the different boxes. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is take a piece of paper. You're going to use half of the paper today, so you'll fold it in half. And you'll want to make a crease. So when you fold it in half, put a crease on it. And then you can see there's the line, right? See that line? You're going to cut it along that line. So snip, snip, snip. I'm not going to cut. I have another one. So you're going to cut it along the line. Then you'll have something that sheet like this. Then you're going to fold it in half like this, so it looks like this. You can see I already did this. You're going to fold it in half again. So when you open it up, you should see something that looks like this. And how many boxes or rectangles do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 4 rectangles there. So the next step is to use a marker and trace along each of these lines like this. 1, 2, 3. Now in mine, I wanted to make it look kind of fancy and really nice, so I took my marker and I also drew lines all the way around the edge. I made what's called a border. Okay, I won't have you watch me do the whole thing, but I made a border all the way around the edge. And you can see that on my finished one, okay? You see how I put the lines between the boxes and then I did a border all the way around the edge. The next thing is we're going to want to label it with some different words. And these are the words that you might remember from the video. So the first one is seed. And you'll see seed coat, cotyledon, embryo. Okay, so do you remember the seed is the whole bean, right? And we're going to take one apart. So this would be the whole bean, seed. Seed coat, do you remember what the seed coat is and what it does? Cotyledon, and embryo. And we'll talk about these as we dissect our seeds, and we'll talk about their jobs and what they do. See if you can remember from the video too. So this is your first step today, is to get this prepared so that we'll have it to use as we're dissecting our seed. Okay, so this video will end. You can work on this and then join me in the next video to do some dissecting.